What's going on, everybody?
Hi, everybody.
We have a tale of woe today, but a lesson for you. The lesson is always check your gear.
It was a big lesson, and I'm glad that we did it because we're getting ready for a big adventure on Thursday, and we needed to go through this.
2 days from today.
We needed to check our gear and get ready and make sure physically that we were able to go on this adventure.
We think we're back. We think we're in good shape here, at least reasonable shape. I think we could admit that we could be in better shape. But right before we were going to leave, Jill, you put on your pack, and what happened?
So I put on my pack, which I've used for hiking and also if I've gone somewhere overnight that's not a hike, and I use it quite a bit, and it's sturdy. It's supposed to last a lifetime. It's an Osprey. And I pulled the strap to tighten it, not wanting to compromise my neck and shoulders, and ripped in 2 places. It was very disappointing. I thought that was the end of our hike.
And it could have been. It really could have been. The problem was this was going to be our only time that we were going to be able to do a trial run.
So we had to come up with a solution on the spot, which we did.
We decided to go on the hike anyway.
Yeah, well, I ran upstairs. I got some really heavy-duty thread and a needle with a big eye, and I stitched it solid in 2 places, but I really didn't know for sure if it was gonna last, and that made me nervous.
Right, and the hike that we were going on as our test hike is about 5.5 miles, not quite as much of an ascension, only about 1,700 feet, but you're 5 miles away from the truck, and if you have a catastrophic failure with your pack, you're kind of out of luck. How you feeling?
A little anxious. This is my first time out with a heavy pack since my piriformis injury. Trying to recover from that and also from my surgery. But it's going to be great. I'm going to be fine. Just feeling a little anxious. I ended up falling.
Yes, you did.
Right when we got out of the truck, which isn't normally me. I'm usually, I could push through things, but
I could tell when I asked her how it was going and her voice cracked, I kind of knew something was up.
So he hugged me, I processed, got through it, and then he was my positive coach and said, you can do it, we can do it. And so then we went on the hike.
Holy cow. Wow. We might have to come back. Wow, those look good.
We were a little early last weekend when we hiked up here with not with these backpacks, but to get blackberries.
Yeah.
Now there's a lot more out.
And they look good, nice and plump.
They're delicious. They have a little sour flavor to them. You want to try some?
I'd love one.
Want to take a break here?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a quick one.
Yeah.
A few minutes. So our training hike was up to Hemp Bald, which is not very far from where we live, but it was a good test hike. We started to have difficulty about 2 miles into the hike. We got to Ferguson Cabin and decided to take a break. Our plan was to take some more regular scheduled breaks that we normally don't do. We're kind of a gut through it couple And we've decided that that may be where some of our injuries might be coming from.
Definitely. Yeah. When I went through physical therapy after the injury, they said, take it slow, take breaks, and stretch before and after, which is something we really focused on.
We took off our packs and boom, Jill's pack broke again.
I mean, it literally was falling apart. The strap, like you said, it was like paper.
It was tearing like tissue paper.
I did bring some needle and thread just in case, but I don't think I'm gonna need it. Anyway, we came up with another solution, got through that, and through the whole hike at this point, I'm wondering whether the pack's going to hold up or not. And trying to shimmy it up on my hips, but be really careful not to pull too tight. So I was feeling a little stiffness in the shoulders and neck because of it.
Hemp Hill's got to be like 56, 50, well, probably maybe like 52. So we've got some elevation to go.
And we're at, how high?
4650.
Oh crap.
Oh shit.
Way.
Oh no. I don't think that's repairable.
Let me just see something. I mean, at least for the time being, if I sew this under here.
You could also pass it through. You could pass it through the outside right there, maybe.
This thing is just literally falling apart.
From then on, even though the problem was that you were having to support all the weight on your shoulders, the pack was holding together.
We made it!
We made it.
We made it! Woo!
We got up to Hemp Hill Ball, we had a picnic, it was awesome, a beautiful day. It was just fabulous. And then we started to head back. We got to maybe another mile and a half back to where we were supposed to be. And the pack finally
Gave way.
So it looks like everything's come apart, right?
Oh, it just gave way.
All right.
We still have, what, 4 miles to go?
4 miles, yeah. So let me take off my belt and I'll feed the belt through both sides and pull it tight.
Okay.
Yeah, cut all those loose threads. Is that everything?
Yeah.
Both sides?
No.
It's a little bit bigger. Okay, I got it through. There's one side. All right, so what I'm gonna do is have you get in this,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna feed it through and then cinch it, and basically you're gonna be stuck in your thing.
All right.
She inhaled and I pulled really tight, and it was actually working better than the strap, the crappy strap did.
All right, let's see.
I wished we'd done that at the beginning. This is nice. I'm psyched that you found the solution.
Well, I don't know if my
that's
shorts
true. Your
my
pants
shorts would have
might
stayed
fall.
up. They were starting to sag a little bit.
My makeshift.
Despite all of the challenges that got in the way, which is life, right?